Can I reset my AirPods to fix the sound issue on Find My AirPods?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common problem: sound issues with AirPods on Find My AirPods. If you're experiencing this, don't worry. There's a simple solution which we will guide you through, step by step, resetting your AirPods.
Why reset your AirPods?
The first question that comes to mind might be, why should I reset my AirPods? Well, sometimes, your AirPods can encounter issues that a simple power off and on won't fix. These could be issues related to Bluetooth connectivity, sound imbalances, or even problems with features such as Find My AirPods. Resetting them brings them back to their factory settings, often clearing out any problems along the way.
How do I reset my AirPods?
Resetting your AirPods is a straightforward process. 1. Put your AirPods in the charging case and close the lid. Wait about 30 seconds before proceeding to the next step. 2. Open the lid of your charging case. This will keep your AirPods on. 3. Press and hold the setup button. You'll find this on the back of your case. Hold it until the status light starts flashing amber a few times and then finally flashes white. That's it. Your AirPods have now been reset.
How to reconnect your AirPods?
After resetting, you will need to reconnect your AirPods to your devices. 1. Open the lid of your AirPods charging case next to your iOS device. 2. A setup animation should appear on your device. 3. Tap Connect, then Done. If you're setting up your AirPods with a non-Apple device, follow the usual Bluetooth pairing process. And there you have it. You've learned how to reset your AirPods to potentially fix sound issues with Find My AirPods. If you continue experiencing problems, we recommend reaching out to Apple support. But in many cases, a simple reset can be the solution. We hope this video has been helpful. Thanks for watching, and remember to always keep your tech life hassle-free.